Based in Perth, Western Australia, at Advanced Braking Technology, or ABT, we are the world's leading manufacturer of sealed integrated braking systems, or SIBS. Manufactured in Australia and delivering our ABT brake solutions to customers in over 40 countries. That makes us the largest SIBS supplier in the world, and we have established strategic partners located in key regions to support our customers, even in the most remote places. For more than 20 years, we have been supplying our award-winning SIBS to the biggest names in mining, civil construction and military to help road-going vehicles withstand the world's harshest environments and keep operators safe. Environmental social governance, or ESG, and sustainability are more important than ever. We play a major role in helping our customers achieve their ESG and sustainability goals with zero-emission brakes. ABT are committed to innovation and continuing to work in collaboration with our clients in diverse industry sectors. We invest heavily in research and development to deliver the highest quality products and services that offer unparalleled safety, improved productivity and reduced emissions. Proudly Australian, and proud of the role we play in helping to keep people and assets safe for our clients around the world.